told me to record you on your scooter.
Yeah. My nerd
Are you gonna
glasses.
do like a trick or something?
Kind of.
Now, what did you say? Born to ride a scooter? You were born to ride a scooter?
Yep.
Why?
Because that's the only thing that I know how to ride.
What? What about your roller skates?
Well, skates.
And you kind of know how to ride your bike now without training wheels. You just don't know how to stop.
Or get on.
Or but if someone puts you on, you can ride it. Look at this crazy child. She put sun explosion potion.
That's my sun knife. That's my sun potion. Need air or oxygen. Pebbles, which are rocks. Pebbles or rocks. In my game, they're health stones. And then heat is like the stone.
Leaves,
Yeah.
electricity cord,
Yep. And
fun
a sun
cookie,
A sun cookie.
a sun cookie.
Yeah, I stole one of Baby Brother's little things that come from the wooden thingy.
What is northeastern Harrisburg?
Oh no, because Bryce accidentally erased her. It's at Venus, northeastern USA, Pennsylvania, Harrisburg.
Okay.
That's the city in Pennsylvania, and that's the state.
What is Justin? Justin Bieber?
No!
What do you got going on the other side?
Me and Bryce's game.
Where is Amira going for the motor scooter races? New York, huh?
Roaming up the street, suckers.
What?
Nothing.
What'd you say?
Roaming up the street, suckers.
What?
Roaming up the street, suckers.
Where'd you learn how to say that?
I don't know. Said that.
Okay.